Damn, this looks very old and authentic, I could say.
Yes.
For sure.
It was a Jewish place. This old city for Jewish.
I feel like I've gone back in time.
Yes. You are in Cuba.
Cuba.
Yes.
The Cuba of Algeria.
Yes, exactly.
Algerian flag. The green to represent the prosperity, the white to represent peace, the red to represent the blood of the people sacrificed.
Yes. So we go.
English. Okay. Nice to meet you. السلام عليكم.
l'Algérie perdue. l'Algérie perdue. ما كان والو في l'Algérie. C'est rien.
باي باي. السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. Au revoir. It's quite the place around here. The people are really friendly, actually.
I told you. I told you.
Yeah.
They are. Maybe you have some people no, but actually.
Yeah. Most of these men have just come out of the mosque, actually.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.